Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save or back up power bins in DaVinci Resolve. This is incredibly useful if you want to preserve your organized media collections and use them across different projects or share them with team members. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it launches and you're in your workspace, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on Edit. This will take you into the editing workspace where you'll have access to all the necessary tools for managing your media and bins. Now that you're in the Edit workspace, look toward the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll find the Media Pool option. Click on it to access your media management area. The Media Pool is where all your clips, audio files, and organized bins live, making it the central hub for your project's assets. Once you're in the media pool, you'll notice three dots, typically representing a menu icon. Click on these three dots to reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Show Power Bins. This action will display your Power Bins panel, which is a feature that allows you to create and manage bins that persist across all your projects, making them incredibly valuable for frequently used assets. Now on the left side of your interface, you should see the Power Bins section. Here you'll find Master listed under Power Bins. Right-click on Master to bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, click on Export Bin. This is the key step that allows you to save your Power Bin as a separate file that can be backed up or imported into other projects. After clicking Export Bin, a file browser window will open. This is where you'll choose where to save your backup. Select a location on your computer or external drive where you want to store this backup. It's a good idea to choose a location that you regularly back up or that's part of your project archive system. Once you've selected the location, input a name for your Power Bin backup. Choose something descriptive so you can easily identify it later. After naming your file, click Save. DaVinci Resolve will now export your Power Bin to the selected location, creating a backup that you can import whenever needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a backup of your Power Bin in DaVinci Resolve. This backup can now be safely stored, shared with collaborators, or imported into future projects, ensuring your organized media structure is never lost. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.